To grow lettuce, you can either purchase seedlings that are ready to transplant or purchase seeds and sow them. To sow from seed, first trace a furrow with the tip of the rake. Sow the seeds in the hole. Sow in only a few seeds at a time and space them evenly. Close the furrow back on the seeds with a rake and press down, then water. As soon as the lettuce sprouts, thin down to 4 inches. When planting lettuce purchased in nursery pots, make a hole every 12 inches and place your lettuce plant in the center of each hole. Take care to level the root crown with the ground. Backfill and press down. Care for your plant with mulch and regular watering. Lettuce can be harvested as soon as it produces a good-sized head. Subsequent harvests won't be a head anymore, but simply random leaves from the root crown.